Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert heart sign in Word. So this is very easy and simple method. So firstly click on insert. Now this last option symbol, so just click on it. Now click on more symbols. So one screen will be open. So just type this so just select this font. So just click on this drop down and select it this symbol type. Now type this character code E006. Just type this character code and click on insert. And E007, just type this and click on insert. Now this third one E00B, just type this character code and click on insert. So just type this character code. E2CC, just type this character code and click on insert. Now close it. So these four are heart sign. So thanks for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe this channel.